Hi friends, I hope everyone's doing well. It's been such a long time since I've shared with you and I have so much to share with you. In fact, I've got three things. I've got something really important that I'd like to share with you, something very meaningful for me. I have something that I'd like to celebrate with you, and also I want to share some meaningful information, maybe the three most commonly asked questions regarding my jump rope challenge, what kind of results, what kind of technique I use, and regarding my equipment. So stay tuned. It's been a year since I picked up this weighted jump rope back in March of 2020 when COVID had just started and we were in isolation, and I needed a convenient way to increase my cardio while at home. Also to increase my energy, which I felt was incredibly low, not only because of COVID, but because of Black Lives Matter. And then to add more to that, I turned 50 that same year, and the practices that used to benefit me just didn't seem to be hitting the mark anymore. And then I started jump roping. So without expecting it, jump rope became so much more than a way to increase my cardio, than a full body workout, during COVID. It became an emotional release. It's also allowed me to connect with so many of you. And also since March of last year, I started promoting Movement Matters. Movement matters for mood, movement matters for mind, or mindful movement. The second thing I want to share with you is that we've reached 100 subscribers. Yay! Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your kind comments. Thank you for sharing your journey and, sharing how jump roping and movement has impacted your life in meaningful ways. It inspires me. Continue to post your questions. I love to receive them. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Please like, and also don't forget to turn your notifications on so that when I share more content, you have instant access to it. Now I'd like to share with you the three most commonly asked questions regarding my jump rope challenge. First one regarding my mat. When I first started my jump rope challenge, I didn't use a mat because I was jumping in my basement, but when I brought my jump rope practice outside, I wanted to jump on the grass and it's virtually impossible to do so, so I pulled up the flooring in our gym. So it's just basically 4 pieces that has a little bit of shock absorbent about this thick that pieces together that I can use outside on the grass, which is really good for my knees. And if I was going to use it on concrete, it would protect my jump rope. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2, do I actually count up to 1,000 skips? How do I do it? Well, first of all, I'd like to say start where you are. You do not have to start at 1,000 skips. You don't even have to get up to 1,600. If you're doing 100 skips a day, that's fantastic. If you want to add on to it as it feels good for you, please stay within your own stay at your own pace and use what you have. This is what I do. I make a chart with 10 and I count in 100 increments, and each time I get to 100, I just erase and I continue until I get to 1,000. Counting helps me stay mindful, helps me stay aware and stay present, and it also helps me from tripping up. So I hope that helps. The last question that I like to answer is, how much weight did I lose? Can you actually achieve results from jump roping? Well, all you have to do is look at my results pics, right? Definitely you can achieve results from using especially a weighted jump rope because it's a full body workout. What will help in your endeavor, if you're looking to achieve results, is to also be mindful of what you eat. You can use portion control, or you can swap one meal for green smoothie. You can check out my green smoothie video for ideas. but it's really important to focus on food as well as movement if you're looking to achieve significant results. And the last thing I want to say is consistency. That is the whole reason I did a 14-day challenge, is to keep me consistent, keep me going, because that's the way to achieve results. So I hope this has been beneficial for you. I hope this inspires you to get up and get moving, either for iMove or just for yourself, and continue to send me, updates on how you're doing to inspire me so I can continue to inspire all of you.